Sure mo, anak.
Wala pa yun, ka na dili mo daw ko.
Pit, tao biya.
Video na ba?
Basta nagana ko
Oh.
t-shirt.
Hindi mo maklaro eh.
Video siya.
Manila,
Pakita na anin ninyo be.
Hi guys, we are here at Blue Reef and these are my friends in the Salvation Militaries in the streets
Hello.
and people around. That was Jimson, he was talking about I live here because I want to do something about them now. It's not a fountain.
Animal mo. Hoy, saan naman eh?
Touchscreen eh. Look, touchscreen eh.
Ay, amaw. Mabuslot ngayon.
Touchscreen.
Gitats lang na eh. Sa'yo parang mas kinasan.
Ayaw yung pangawa na, Marquez. Ayaw yung pangawa na.
Dito eh.
Ano gagmay ba? Ayaw yung gagmay. Yan ba? Yan yung limit oh.
Pakita na itong kauri daw. Ano daw? Kauri ba? Nice yun.
Pero ulang yan ito, nagbuwak na. Ikaw ang bilhin na tol.
Brown kauri.
Ew.
Uli mo ka ginamos.
Kaya man eh, ito.
Di pa na?
Ah, lah. Wala.
Ay, kita gamayan doon yung banguhan mo.
Seryoso. Serious mode.
Imong naong. Parang nasa na ko.
Ami.
Ginoo mo nang pare-pareha ba? Ikaw imong naong dito mo.
Let's try
What's the conversation nila?
Try it. Hello.
I can't find anyone because there's a lot of stones in it. How could you find
No
it?
stones. Only shells around.
Just pounding stones.
We're finding stones.
What? You're finding stones? What for?
Oh no, it's a shell.
So what are you gonna do with a
Like
shell?
an oval.
What are you gonna do with a shell?
You gotta eat them.
You're gonna eat those.
Stone eater.
Fish.
How could you eat those things?
Like
You
it's
think that?
a poo-poo.
You think you guys are crazy because
No, we're not crazy. We're just crazy silly.
because I never thought that a thing that could be eaten.
You have you
Oy,
have
ayaw kayo panguha na, Barkis. You see that guy Ayaw over mo panguha,
eh.
Barkis ba? Ayaw kayo panguha na, oy.
Huh?
Dili mo na, need.
Dinit.